Well, summer is a time for many of us to enjoy physical activity, but that also means there's a risk of a muscle or bone injury, especially if you weren't as active during those cooler months. And joining us now with some tips on preventing these types of injuries is Dr. Robert Westerman with University of Iowa Healthcare. Dr. Westerman, thank you so much for your time today. So what types of injuries do you see most often in the summertime?
Yeah, so the summertime is the time where we see a lot of people increasing their activities. So we see a lot of, outdoor activities. We see a lot of injuries to the hip, the shoulder, the knee. We see a lot of ankle sprains, and most commonly these come from an increase in outdoor sports like soccer, tennis, and pickleball. We also see some overuse injuries that tend to occur from people increasing their activities too quickly, such as in like runners and cyclists can be at risk for having an overuse injury if they ramp up activities at a high rate. And then also with people out in the boat and doing yard work, we also see slips, falls, and other injuries from outdoor projects that can lead to more serious injuries like fractures.
Yeah, no, they're definitely all out and about during these warmer summer months. And so how important is, stretching and hydration when it comes to injury prevention?
Yeah, both are really important. Stretching can help prepare your muscles for vigorous activity. We tend to use like dynamic stretching before activities and then static stretching afterward. That can be a really way to keep your muscles and tendons in good condition and also reduce soreness afterward. Hydration is also super simple but also very important. It can help prevent muscle fatigue and just getting worn down from being outside and in the sun for too long. And we tend to see a lot of more serious injuries if you're in bad condition and kind of worn out. That's when you're really most susceptible, and hydration is a super easy way to help prevent some of those injuries from occurring.
Yeah, so last question here, Dr. Westerman. So how does someone know when they need to seek care for a muscle or bone injury?
Yeah, I mean, the easiest thing to do is sort of the RICE protocol. So you can rest, ice, elevate, and compress. So you can just kind of relax for a short period of time. But if the pain is sharp or if it does not improve with simple rest and letting it cool down, if you can see any visual bruising around a joint, if you have difficulty bearing weight or lose range of motion, and if you're not able to get back to the level of activity that you want to because of a joint or a muscle injury, it's probably a good idea to get checked out.
Absolutely. Well, Dr. Westerman, that's all I have. Thank you so much for your time today.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
You bet.